Hey guys, Erica here, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming back on today with more challenge entries. I'm going to jump right on in so I can get started. This first entry is from Gould. Thank you so much for participating. I'm sorry if I'm mispronouncing your last name, but I truly appreciate you participating. And I just took out your entry from the package, and this is the way it came. Look how super pretty that treat topper is. That really pretty flower. It's really pretty, and she's got a cute little cupcake right there. All right, so I'm going to open that up very carefully and see what she sent. And I apologize for the noise. All right, so here is her entry, and it's so pretty. I'm just going to zoom in just a little bit. Here is the mini loaded bag, which I absolutely love. It's so pretty. Look how she decorated it with all these trim and cute bows. And I'm gonna go ahead and take that little clip off, and let's check out her baking tags. These are absolutely adorable. I love the blingy, what are these bows called? These sequin bows. They're so cute. It says, "Hope your day is as sweet as you are." Oh, that's so cute. I love these tags. Look how sparkly they are. They're very pretty. So creative. And then there's the back. Absolutely adorable. I can't wait to use those. Oh my goodness. All right, I'm going to stick those back in, and let's check out her memory decks card. And there it is. Oh, wow. Look at that. She's got some stickers. It says "To New Beginnings," a really pretty heart that has like glossy accents or something on it. Really pretty bow and trim. Oh, she even has like a little 2018 charm. And then this pretty sticker right here. Wow, that is really cute. Thank you so much. Now, let me just look at the back really quickly. I'm trying to see if she has an Instagram or YouTube channel. Nope, she doesn't have a YouTube channel, but that is her name. But I just wanted to share with you. I apologize for saying the name incorrectly. But thank you so much. I love your entry. Yay, thank you for participating. I'm going to see what other goodies. She sent me some stickers, some Maggie Home stickers. Oh, that's so sweet of you. Those are really pretty. So sweet. And then I think that is it. So nice of you. Oh, I love your entry. And there's the back of her bag. It says, "Made especially for you" by Gould. I'm sorry. Love your entry. Thank you so much. So sweet. All right, I have another entry I want to share with you, and this next entry is from Telma Blazen. And this is how her entry came. I just took it out of the package. I'm sorry for the glare. Let me take it out of this bag so we don't get that glare. Let me put this right here. This is absolutely stunning. Oh my goodness, you guys. Wow, this is so pretty. Look at that. Oh my gosh, look how she decorated this, you guys. Her mini loaded bag is just absolutely gorgeous. Oh my gosh, look at the beautiful flower, lots of trim, lots of bling. It's beautiful. Oh, this is her memory decks card. That's her memory decks card. Oh my gosh, how cute. I love it. It's so pretty. Okay, let me just go back. So there's her name. It's Telma Blazen, and there's her YouTube channel. And I'll be sure to link these ladies in the description box below so that you can find them. Oh, so sweet. Oh my gosh, your birthday is, my daughter's birthday is on the 29th of July. Oh, you share the same birthday as her. Oh, I'm going to put that off to the side. That's kind of neat. Now, these are her baking tags, which are absolutely gorgeous. This one says, "What?" Oh, that's so pretty. And then there's the back. Adorable. And then this is the second tag that she made. And it says, "You are the object of my confidence." I can't wait to use these. I just love the way your bag looks. It's so shabby chic. It's so pretty. I love this trim right here and that pretty seam binding. Isn't that gorgeous, you guys? I just can't stop looking at it. It's so pretty. I love all that lace. It's just, I haven't received an entry like this, so it's definitely different, but it's gorgeous. Love it. Handmade by Telma Blazen. All right, so let's look at her Oh, she's got another Memory Dex card in here. Oh my gosh, she made 2. Oh my goodness, so look at this one. That one's so pretty as well. And she's got these cute little images of the doll. And she's got some trim right there with this pearl trim and lace. This is so pretty. Thank you for making me 2. These are absolutely adorable. Oh my goodness. And again, there is her YouTube name and her channel, and I hope that you meant to send me 2. Oh my goodness. You'll have to tell me in the comment section. Those are adorable. Thank you so much for playing along. And then, oh, she made me a wand. Yay! I got another wand to add to my collection, and this one is absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna pull it up closer so you guys can see all the details. She's got a doily and then like a chipboard heart and then this really pretty tool with the flat back pearls. She has that bead that says forever and a really pretty heart and flowers. It's so, so pretty and shimmery. So pretty. And then that's the back. That's how she finished off the back. Oh, I love this. Thank you so much. I will be adding this to my collection. Oh my gosh, did you make me a bag? Oh my gosh, this is absolutely stunning. Do you sew? Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I love it. Look at the details, all the lace. Oh my gosh, look at that. And that pretty flower with that pretty bling. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to watch your video response on your channel so I can find out. Oh my goodness, did you must have altered this bag. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. Thank you so much. That is so, so sweet. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Please leave these ladies a comment and make sure you go back and check out the playlist of all the entries that I've received so that you can be inspired by all of these crafty women that have been sending in all of these wonderful entries. All right, I'll see you guys soon. Bye for now.